In this video, we are going to solve questions related to polygons. The first one over here says find the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon with C size. Now, to be able to solve, you must know this formula. The first one is that when you want to find the sum of the interior angles in a regular polygon, the formula is equal to the number of the size minus 2 times 180 degrees. So depending on the number of the size, use this formula to solve for the sum of the interior angles. What if you want to know the value of one of the interior angles? Because for a regular polygon, all the interior angles are the same. So what if you want to know the value of each interior angle? And that formula is equal to n minus 2 times 180, all divided by the number of sides. And the next one you must know is that the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So when you add all the exterior angles and then you equate them to 160 degrees. And also, all the exterior angles are the same. So when you want to know one of the exterior angles, or when you want to know the exterior angles, you divide by number of sides. So one of the exterior angles, or each exterior angle, is equal to 360 over n, and the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. And also each interior angle is equal to n minus 2 times 180 over n. Now, these are the four basic formulas you must know to be able to solve polygon questions. The first one says we should find the sum of an interior angles of a regular polygon with C star, which means that for the first one, the number of sides is 6, and the sum of the interior angle, the formula is given by n minus 2 times 180. So we are going to place the 6 over here. So 6 minus 2 times 180. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 times 180, which will give you 720 degrees. The second one says that a polygon has 10 sides. Find the sum of its interior angles. So the number of sides are 10. Find the sum of its interior angles. And as you know, the sum of the interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, I substitute the 10 with the n. So 10 times 180. Now 10 minus 2 is 8. So we're going to have 8 times 180. So 8 times 180 is going to give us 1440 degrees. Now, the next one says if the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 540 degrees, find the number of sides. So in this question, example number 3, we are finding the number of sides of the polygon. Now, as you know, the sum of the interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. But over here, they have given us the sum of the interior angles as 540 degrees. So we just have to equate the formula to 540 degrees. Now let me clear this space over here. So n minus 2 times 180 is equal to the sum of the interior angles, which is equal to 540 degrees. Now let's remove the bracket or expand the bracket here. So n times 180 is 180n, and then 2 times 180 is 360, which is equal to 540. Now we're looking for the n, so let's make 180n over here and then send the 360 to where the 540 is. So we're gonna have 180n is equal to 540 plus 360 is gonna give us 900. So we divide both sides by 180 and it's gonna give us 5. Therefore, the number of sides is 5. Now the next one says the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1440. Find the number of sides of the regular polygon. So over here they have given you the number of sides of the polygon. Sorry, they have given you the sum of the interior angles of the regular polygon as this number. So we have to find the number of sides. So as you know, the sum of the interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees, which will be equal to this number, which is 1440. Now we expand the bracket as 180n minus 360, which is equal to 1440. 180n is equal to 1440 plus 360. Now 180n is equal to 1440 plus 360 is going to give us 1800. We divide both sides by 180 and it's going to give us 10. So therefore the number of sides is 10. So the four main formula you have to know is that the sum of the interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180. Now, if you want to find each interior angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 over the n. And then the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. And also the sum of the and if you want to find each exterior angles is equal to 360 over n. Now, thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment on the video, and like and share the video. Thank you.